Hey, good morning, Robb. Guys, today we're going to talk about acrylic light panels, how to repair them when they get cracked and broken. My apartment is from 1975, it was built. So these light panels are original and they're about 45 years old and they're very brittle. And almost all of them have cracks in them, or in some cases, pieces were actually broken off. What I've done is I've used Gorilla Tape on the back of them and to go over the cracks, and then on the front side I put some glue, some crazy glue. uh, I use the liquid. You can also get a gel, but I preferred the liquid because it went down inside the crack with the tape on the back. Also, where there's just small cracks and not pieces missing, I just put tape and back it up on the back side. um, the reason I've done this is because I can't find these yellow panels anywhere. Just plain white panels are $15–20 a piece. I have about a dozen of them need to be repaired or replaced, and I couldn't find any to replace these panels that were the same color. Also, I couldn't find the same size. I could buy much larger panels and then cut them. They're very easy to cut with a straight edge and a razor. You just score along the straight edge and then they snap. Much easier than cutting glass. I was able to get a white panel that somebody threw out, and as an experiment I put up here. And what I did is I had to cut it into two pieces and then splice it along the side. And on the back is just the crazy, is the Gorilla Tape. It's clear. It's supposed to be much stronger than regular packing tape. Um, Now to clean the panels, I just use alcohol, but plain soapy water also works. But if they were up there for a long time, nobody cleans the back of their light panels until they can't see anymore, I guess. But I wanted to get something that was identical to what has been up here for 45 years, but I couldn't find any. And like I said, just the plain white ones were quite expensive. So if you have acrylic panels that are chipped or cracked or pieces that are broken off, you can use Gorilla Tape on the back of it, and then on long pieces that are snapped off, you can just add the crazy glue. You can get the crazy glue at the dollar store, or you can get larger amounts on Amazon. Also, they sell a gel if you want to work with something that's a little more forgiving and easier to apply. But I preferred the liquid because with the tape backing up the glue, I would just bend and pour the glue in between the crack and bend it back. And it seemed to work good too. But I also like the gel for some things. So if you have old panels, you might want to think about repairing them instead of just throwing them out and getting new ones, unless you like the new ones. I just wanted some yellow ones I couldn't find. I was thinking to myself, maybe these really aren't yellow. Maybe they're just 45 years old and they used to be white. Anyway, I thought I'd just throw this up here for you guys here. If you have panels, maybe you could repair them instead of throwing them away and getting new ones. It's $15–20 a piece. All right, I hope this was something helpful. Guys, put new videos on every week. Been doing it for 13 years, got over 800 videos, and I hope you come back and watch more. Take care. See you out there.